You told me to hit you. You're laughing about this too?
There, we're rolling. We're gonna watch this.
I thought you were a superhero. I thought you were looking for purple guy. Who's purple dude now? You're just making this up.
Yeah, I'm making it up on the spot. It's right here. It's right here. We're all crazy a little bit, okay? Okay. Oh no! Freddy! He stole all your chicken! Every piece of it.
That's it. He's mine. Give me my chicken, you fiend!
Oh, here she goes. Maybe less creepy about that.
This will be it for this video. See you later.